it's done.
It's done? Okay.
This is pink.
Yeah. You want to put it up there? Is it done?
Mm-hmm.
One more.
You're painting on it now, huh? Pretty.
Pretty.
What color is it?
Color
We
that?
got all of it.
What colors you have? You have a pink one, a blue one, some green ones.
Did you put that in your mouth?
No.
That's yucky. Here. You paint on that paper.
Pretty picture. I like your apron you put on to color, to paint with.
Oh.
Comes Maggie to see what you're doing.
Hi, Mommy.
They're beautiful.
What are you making? You making a picture?
You gonna talk to Grandma?
I'm making a picture for Mommy.
Oh,
Oh.
good. She can hang it on her refrigerator when you get all done.
That's the eggs going there.
Yeah, we already put the eggs in there. They're drying now.
Hands out of your mouth.
They're
Hi,
drying.
Mommy.
The eggs are all done. Did you
Me.
see the egg that said Mommy and Daddy?
Up
This
the
one says-
yellow.
This one says Mommy.
1, 2. 1, 2.
I just couldn't leave without seeing you again.
Who's that?
Ava. They're making eggs.
Yeah.
Easter eggs. Wow.
And
That
she makes some
looks
pretty
fun.
ones?
Hi.
Having fun?
She's like, why is everybody looking at me?
Alright. See you, man.
Take care.
You guys have a good trip back.
No, thanks.
Put that one back in the pink.
Bye-bye.
There you go. Bye, Sean.
Take care. I'll talk to you.
Hey, when are you're taking off this week?
Friday. No, Saturday morning.
When are you coming back?
Sunday
On a
afternoon.
week?
Oh, easy.
Saturday, Sunday.
Oh.
See you. Bye-bye.